Ugh. Wow, this is mine. That's kind of funny. This is mine. Ew. Ew, there's even mold in there.
Oh, yeah.
No. That's kind of funny, though. That's kind of funny, you know why? Hey, Mike, this was mine. It was back in March. When I used to work it was mine when I still worked full time. It was mine. Now since I work part time now, it's not mine anymore. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Ew. These are still good. You want some pickles? Billy, ew. Ew, ew. Chicken Alfredo. Okay, I wish I had, okay. Ew. I want gloves. I want, if I feel bags in my hands, I want gloves. Ew, that's just gross. Ew. Come on. Oh, that's right. I lost the gloves when they took everything out of here. I lost the gloves. Why? I'm actually glad I picked to do this job. What the heck is this? Ew! Why do I agree to bullshit, huh? Why do I agree to this shit? Ew! I don't even know what that is. Ew. The help to instructor came in here and close this place down in a hot minute. Butter, Vegemite. That was a nightmare. Do I want the dime? Nah. It's been there since last year. Oh, what in the hell is this? Damn, this has been here for a year. Gravy, $12.19. Gravy. I'm not cleaning up the pantry. That's someone else's job. I just have to clean up the fridge because this thing stinks to high heaven. Oh, I can't wait to hear this stuff smash out back. Oh my.